Hello, I'm Peter Bengtson, and together with my teammates Sidorela Lulaj and Stephen Walden, along with character models provided by artists Amy Chen and Angela Yip, have developed the game Co-op Ghost. This game is coursework done in CS 426 at the University of Illinois at Chicago. The concept behind our game is a two-player cooperative story-based puzzle game in which one player plays as a ghost and the other as a human. As will be seen shortly, the human and ghost have unique roles and abilities and are presented with separate information in the scene. An important aspect to our game is that the players cannot directly communicate, but rather work together by interacting with the environment to progress through the story. To make this possible, our game needed fully functioning networking. As can be seen here, the ghost can see red shaders through the wall, indicating the game objective. As the ghost gets near the player, it's clear that the ghost can see the human, but the human has no indication of the ghost. The human spawns next to a locked door, with the closest object being a dog bone. If the human doesn't know the dog bone's important, the ghost can apply force to it. The dog bone is controlled through Unity physics and will interact with the environment when thrown and picked up. As the player walks around the scene, he'll quickly find a dog. The dog is AI controlled by a finite state machine. If the player gets too close to the dog, it will bark at him. If the ghost gets close to the dog, it will follow him around. The dog is on the nav mesh and moves around the scene semi-realistically. If the ghost gets too far away from the dog will return back to its original position. The game objective is currently for the human to give the dog the 3 treats. The ghost can also show that the computer is important by turning it on and off. When the player tries to interact with the computer, it will say the password's incorrect. Once the player gives the dog the 3 treats, he'll be able to see the dog's name tag and log onto the computer. Before I complete that, I'd like to point out a few differences between the human and the ghost. First is that the scene is much brighter for the ghost as opposed to the human. Second is on the ghost minimap, both players can be seen, but on the humans, only the human can. Another is that the camera collider does not collide with interior walls for the ghost. This is because the ghost goes through walls frequently. It does, however, collide with exterior walls, which the ghost cannot go through. Now that the dog is given the 3rd treat, it will allow the human to get close enough to see the name tag on it. Upon entering the name tag into the computer, the password will say correct password, in which case our game is complete. I hope you enjoyed this demo, and thank you for your time.